HHDL, welcome back to our channel. So today is a very special day. It's His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's birthday, and it's a very auspicious day to all the Tibetan and those who follow His Holiness in the world. And in Australia, in Brisbane, we are gathering, our Tibetan communities are gathering today to celebrate this really amazing and very remarkable day. So here we are. Whatever I'm wearing is a Tibetan attire, and I'm always really happy to wear this, and I'm sure many other Tibetan people who live in abroad, who live in another country, they're always aware to wear this kind of clothes and the traditional attire. Well, it is what it is. Anyway, so we are heading to our community gathering venue, and we are on the way with the cake. Ooh, birthday cake. So it's our honor to carry this all the way to the venue. And my man is, don't look back. My man is driving as usual, and I'm holding the cake just right here because it's a huge one. That's why we need a big car to carry this. So let's go with us and let's enjoy the day. I'll try to show some events, whatever we're going to do today. We're just gonna take a short clips and then try to make a video so that everybody can cherish this moment. And yeah, looking forward to show you guys. Ayo, kamu nanya YouTube di big fan cicik lain sekali.
Oh, no.
Yang mutus. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hi. Yay.
Like, share, subscribe ka.
Oh, mas.
Dadah. 야 뭐지? 당연히 가디 쉽지.
이거 어디 라네? 하이 라이. 하이. 라호 준비.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us high.
야, 그거 내다. 유튜브 나 스픽 해.
유튜브 채널이요.
나다.
제 유튜브 채널.
샘집 불러.
난데.
예, 그거 내일렀어. 레모라. 상물로 바이바이. 제.
바이바이.
안 재미있는 동 하세요. 바이. 바이. Bye. Alright guys, bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.